Leader of the Four Horsemen, and 16-time heavyweight champion of the world. Please welcome the Nature Boy Ric
Nature Boy!
Have early entry into the building tomorrow. The family arena right across the way. We will be taking you in at 4:30. The beautiful people will escort you inside the building. You will have a meet and greet opportunity with Jeff Hardy. I want to remind you of a couple of things. Number one, please be on time. We cannot guarantee early entry and the meet and greet with Jeff Hardy if you show up at 10 to 5 or even 4:35. So please be on time. Leave a little early so that you don't get hung up. Number two, you must have your blue tickets. It's better off if you bring the whole thing.
Ready to take your picture.
Lanyard, thank you very much. It's been a long day. If you have the lanyard, but if you don't have the lanyard, that's okay. But please bring all the ticket information, the blue tickets and the lanyard. Number three, you must have a ticket to the show tomorrow.